Hello everyone, today I will review a 2026 article that is titled Human Resource Development in the Digital Era. So what is this paper about? Digital transformation is changing how human resource works. Employees need new skills like digital literacy and data analytics. This systematic review asks, how can organizations develop their workforce sustainability in the digital age? The review answers three questions. What drives successful digital human resource transformation? What are the positive and negative outcomes? And how to balance technology with human needs? Regarding the methodology they used a systematic literature review following Prisma 2020. The authors searched 6 databases, including Scopus and Web of Science. They looked for English journal articles from 2020 to 2025. They started with 3,915 articles, and after screening, they kept 50 high-quality studies for analysis. About the transformation. What makes digital human resource transformation succeed? We have 4 groups of factors. The first one is organizational factors, like leadership, learning culture, and agility. The second is technological factors, like digital literacy, AI, and human resource transformation information systems. Third is individual factors like employee adaptability, digital skills, and resilience. And fourth is social demographic factors like gender, generation, and education level. The results. Here are the positive impacts, consequences. Digital transformation brings many positive outcomes. Organizations see better productivity, efficiency, and innovation. Employees gain new competencies and career growth. Psychological well-being and job satisfaction improve. Retention and commitment increase. It also supports gender equality and sustainability practices. Overall, when done well, digital transformation helps everyone. Now, the negative consequences like risks. Without human-centered strategies, digital transformation can cause digital fatigue and burnout. Employees experience techno stress and work overload. Many fear automation and job insecurity. Social isolation and weaker team cohesion appear. There are also ethical concerns about data privacy and workplace surveillance. For human resource professionals, conduct digital wellness audits, create tech-free periods, offer personalized upskilling combined with resilience training, appoint digital champions, build ethical AI governance. The conclusion is clear, like successful digital human resource development requires balancing technology, human capabilities, and ethical governance, all three together. Full citation is in description. Thank you for watching.